Time right now is 6:17. Good morning, everybody. Here, starting off with a live picture of Las Cruces over there, facing the NMSU campus. It's so dark out there. It's all thanks to daylight saving time and that hour that we spring forward. Now, we won't see our sunrise until later on this morning, around 7 o'clock in the morning. So things are still pretty dark out there. So if you're trying to get that morning exercise in, if you're an early morning riser, you're definitely going to need to grab the jacket. Here's that out for a walk forecast for those of you waking up with us in the Mesilla Valley. We'll be in the mid-30s around 7 o'clock, 46 degrees by the time 9 a.m. rolls around, and about 54 degrees around 11 o'clock. The good news is those winds will be staying relatively calm. Today is going to be a beautiful day to get outdoors. You get the green light to even wash the car for me. We're expecting dry conditions and calm conditions in the wind department. As for tomorrow, the winds do crank up. We could even see some patchy blowing dust, and the winds will stay with us into Thursday. So yellow light to wash the car in those days. I think today's going to be the best day to do so. 45 degrees is what we're tracking right now in El Paso, 39 degrees over there in Sierra Blanca, and 42 degrees in Guadalupe Pass. By the time this afternoon rolls around, you can shed off those extra layers, those sweaters and those jackets. We'll be warming up to 73 degrees for the El Paso area. Again, get outdoors if you can, and if you do so, remember to put on that sunscreen. We'll be tracking plenty of sunshine for both El Paso and Las Cruces. Las Cruces, we should be topping off about 74 degrees. Winds calm, like I mentioned, but we're going to fast forward our wind gust tracker into tomorrow. That's when our next weather system begins to arrive. Now, we're going to start off Wednesday morning pretty calm, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. As we fast forward into Wednesday afternoon, 3 o'clock, stopping the clock here, we'll see those increase in those wind speeds around 25 miles per hour coming from the west. But by the time 7 p.m. rolls around, the Boot Hill, New Mexico could see some strong winds. Deming, Columbus, you're on the map around 35 miles per hour around 7 p.m. And of course, strong too for El Paso and Tornillo. Fast forward into the evening hours around 9 p.m. We could see them strengthen into speed around 40 miles per hour out near Tornillo and Sierra Blanca. Now, those of you who live on the east side of town, northeast El Paso, you'll get the brunt of the strongest of these winds because they're coming from the west. And once they go over the Franklin Mountains, they strengthen in speed. And we will still be tracking windy conditions for your Thursday morning. Now, this latest model run is indicating that we could see them around 40 miles per hour. So it's something we'll be tweaking in the forecast and we'll be watching very closely in case we need to issue a first alert.